Hi guys, welcome back to Python programming class. Today we are going to take a step further by learning how Python compares strings. This is a really important topic because string comparisons don't always behave the way we naturally expect them to. So Python follows Unicode rules, not dictionary order. So sometimes the result can surprise you. So in this lesson, we'll look at how Python compares strings character by character, why uppercase and lowercase letters behave differently, why digits comes before letters, and how to fix this problem using lower and uppercase method for case insensitive. And if we look at this slide, uh, in Python, numbers are compared based on numeric values. Say you want to compare number from 1 to 5. You can easily tell that 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, um, 5 is greater than 4. But in strings, it's kind of different, especially when you have the mixture of numbers, characters, and when you have mixture of a number, lowercase, uppercase. Okay. Um, Python actually sorts them using what we call Unicode order. Okay. So as a result, this now becomes very difficult for you to know how does it happen. So let me show you an example, a clear example. Let's go to this is how there's a function, an inbuilt function in Python, which is ORD, and that's what we use to get the Unicode value. Okay, so if we run this now, this is going to tell us that, and this is how sorting strings character is determined. It's determined using Unicode order. So lowercase letter A, lowercase has higher Unicode value compared to uppercase letter. Therefore, in a mixture of lowercase, uppercase, and number, in the arrangement, okay, in the arrangement, numbers will come first. Numeric numbers will come first, followed by uppercase letter, and followed by what do you call it, lowercase number. We can all see it from here. And that is the main secret behind it. Okay. So I've shown you on I've shown you in PyCharm on our code editor to see how that works. So digit come first, followed by uppercase letter, and uppercase letter will be sorted from A to Z, uppercase. Likewise, the same thing applicable to lowercase from A to Z, from left to right. So small letter apple, when you spell apple as a word, and when you say spell apple with uppercase letter, uh, the uppercase letter, this is going to be false because the uppercase letter supposed to come before lowercase. So this is false. Okay. And comparing strings are complicated. Okay. So uppercase letters are considered smaller than lowercase letter. Therefore, each with uppercase, starting with uppercase letter is lower than Apple. Okay. And you can run this in your code editor. It's going to tell you it's right. It's going to tell you the same result. Okay? So that's going to give you same result. So in order to resolve this problem, so Python provides us two strings method, which is lower and upper method. And what does these two does? What they basically do is that they make our string character becomes case insensitive. Okay, so they make it case insensitive. Now, and let's so let's quickly, practice that and see how that works quickly. Let's test this. Say, let's see how the two method works, the lowercase and the uppercase letter. Say name one. Let's assign Isa with that's the first one. Then name two, it's going to be Isa too, but let's use small letter case and let's compare them. So this now, if you remember in our last video, we talked about how to show if two variables are equal. Now let's see if these two variables are equal. Let's see if name one is equals to name two. So let's see, are they equal? Let's try and run it. You see, it false. They are not equal. Okay, so let's try use uh, the two method provided by Python. So that this situation can become case insensitive. Now let's test it. Name one dot lowercase lower method, okay, equals to name two lowercase. So let's print this and see if it's, now you can see it says they are equal. So typically this make it case insensitive. Let's try the other one too. Let's try the upper one to see what this is talking about. Okay, and let's use the upper. So name one dot upper method. Okay, um, upper method, and can you see? Let's print it. If you see this, it's true. So using these two method makes our using these two method makes them case insensitive. And basically, what I'm going to mention, there was one thing that I didn't mention. If you want to call string method, look at how I call them here. The variable name dot the method. Okay, so we are using upper method and lower method. This is the variable name one dot um, dot the lower method, and that's how that works. Okay, and that's what this slide is supposed to explain to us. And if you find this video very useful, if you find it useful, please like, follow, and subscribe. And if you have any question, I will see you in the next class. If you have any question, you can leave me a comment, leave me a message. I will get back to you as soon as I got a chance. So, and I'll see you in our next class. Bye bye.